it's Araba, and I'm just here to show you my tutorial on using rubber band braids. I've done these in the past. I like to do different sizes, so these are 15, as you will find out later on in the video. But right now I'm just putting oil into my hair with freshly washed hair that has been stretched. I like to stretch my hair with no heat. So as you can see, I'm taking out each braid individually, and I use the oil to help it make it easier for me to take each braid out. And once I'm done, I could start styling. I'm using the glam comb here. I will put the video or website where I got it from down below, but it's another YouTuber who, I guess she came up with this product to make it easier for you to apply oil to your scalp and to your hair. Here I am doing a little length check. I normally don't do this, but I'm just checking out my hair growth. I've been doing a couple of new things. I might have put them in videos before, I'm not even sure. I've definitely been using fenugreek seeds and drinking the water from that. I'll put a video up later on, and I think some of the oils that I'm putting in are working, as well as not dyeing my hair. Here I'm just showing you how I part my hair and start using the rubber bands to section out different sections of the hair, like I've done in the back and on the sides, and some of the products that I use to keep my hair taut and in place. Make sure that you don't put in the rubber band too tightly, because you know that will cause breakage. It may look a little tight, but trust me, it wasn't that tight on here, but tight enough where it's not going to fall out. So I have the last braid. As you can see, I braided all of them. So I basically braided up to a certain point, added a rubber band. This is the part I'm going to put into the hot water and unravel it so the ends can be wavy. This is the first time I'm doing it like that, so we'll see if, you know, how it comes out. But last part, just put the hair underneath, wrap it over. And there's a lot of how to add the braiding hair tutorials. So like some people use crochet braids, not crochet braids, I mean the crochet needle. Some people just separate both sides, and some people wrap it around like I just did. And then at some point I just add part of the other hair. So I'm gonna put the rubber band around here and then braid the rest.
Look professional, baby.
Thank you. So I just dipped my hair both sides in hot water. I don't know how crinkly it's gonna be. And then I put a little bit of mousse. Cantu, you can put any type of mousse in there. And yeah, let's see if it gets crinkly. I'm not sure, but here goes. So these are the end results. They're not as wavy as I wanted them, but they're decent. So I'll put some pictures at the end of this so that you can kind of see how they all are. And these are my box braids. They're 15 altogether, and yeah, I'm gonna keep these for about a month and a half, 2 months, and all should be well. All right, peace y'all.